If you're focused on building a career or launching a business in the hospitality, travel, or tourism sectors, you've come to the right place.
ICE is renowned in the hospitality industry for consistently producing top talent. World-class businesses hire our graduates, and you could be next.
ICE's Tourism, Travel, and Hospitality program is a comprehensive management training program that focuses solely on these interrelated industries. Students enjoy a dynamic program that goes beyond classroom and textbook instruction with interactive simulations, field trips, guest lectures, and an externship to provide real-world experience in a tourism, travel, or hospitality business.
This is a great educational program designed to set students on exciting and rewarding career paths. Students are taught strategic, financial, and operational best practices specific to travel, tourism, and hospitality businesses.
We explore the important commonalities between these unique industries, including how to cultivate a hospitality mindset centered on providing clients and guests with a positive, individualized experience. A hospitality mindset can provide a competitive advantage to anyone interested in a career in hotels and resorts, cruise lines, airlines, event management, restaurants, tour operators, theme parks, convention centers, and more. The list goes on and on.
Students are taught strategic, financial, and operational aspects of managing a successful tourism, travel, and hospitality business, including forecasting tourism demand, revenue management, travel and hospitality law, human resources and marketing, including social media and public relations.
Students benefit from small class sizes led by instructors with real-world experience and business-oriented mindsets. Plus, interactive simulations are used in class to reinforce best practices in a gamified manner.
As a full-fledged ICE student, you also get free access to the school's extracurricular activities. Experts and entrepreneurs come to ICE to teach, lecture, and cook for our students, and you get to benefit. Students are exposed to a number of guest panels and events, including our Meet the Culinary Entrepreneurs lecture series, where industry experts motivate and inspire by sharing their own experiences in the field.
The Tourism, Travel, and Hospitality program includes a hands-on industry externship for students to gain real-world, resume-worthy management experience.
Students also have access to discounted dual diploma opportunities to combine tourism, travel, and hospitality management with a diploma in culinary arts, plant-based culinary arts, or pastry and baking arts.
With a solid education to support your career and plenty of opportunities for growth in this exciting industry, you'll have the potential to advance quickly.
Your career can get started in as little as 8 months. Take the first step toward your dream and enroll in ICE's Tourism, Travel, and Hospitality program today.